FIT 21 passes the House 279 to 136. If you're a crypto holder, everybody, I'm going to give you a quick pounds. It's a big deal. In this video, I'm going to explain exactly why it's a big deal. I can't say this enough. Right now, the pendulum is swinging and it is picking up momentum and it is in favor of crypto holders. I'm going to break this down. FIT 21. What is it? Let me just get off right from the beginning of the video. Let me explain. The Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, known as FIT 21, is a significant legislative effort aimed at providing comprehensive regulatory framework for digital assets in the United States. We're going to dive deeper into what this means. If this passes Senate, this is so big. But let's rewind for a second. This was a post I did in August 2023. Bitcoin was around $30,000. Some reasons to be bullish on crypto. And if we look at the chart, we're talking about right where this big yellow arrow is. That's around where I posted that. Some reasons. The worst of the bear is over. Yes, the bear is over. The Fed will pivot 2024. Here's these next 3 points though. SEC will lose its war. Bitcoin ETF approvals. Already had that. Anti-crypto army will lose. Look at this. Trillions to pour into crypto. Crypto is undervalued. Next bull cycle will be parabolic. But there's 3 points. So we have those ETF approvals. And right now, as this momentum continues in, I would say, the right direction for crypto, we have headlines like this. I wanted to send a message, Democrats break with Warren, Biden on crypto. This is what's happening today, everybody. Meta Lawman over here says, I'm no political strategist, but it seems like raising an anti-crypto army to attack your fellow Americans just because they wanted to invest in some of their money in crypto might have not been the world's greatest political strategy. Back a winner, Deaton for Senate. We know John Deaton running for Senate against Warren, against Elizabeth Warren, the anti-crypto army leader. And I'm telling you, I'm just saying, and I've been saying this, the anti-crypto army is going to lose. And that momentum is picking up. Check this out. Donald Trump's campaign says he will build a Bitcoin and crypto army to defeat Joe Biden in the presidential election. Did you ever think we'd be seeing this headline right now? I really did not think we would actually see this headline at this stage of the cycle, but we are. Now, here's how the day has progressed. And I want to discuss, I'm going to break down what this could mean for crypto. This could be a game changer, everybody. And at this stage of the cycle, zoomed out, I'm talking about the Bitcoin halving just happened. We know in previous cycles what happens post Bitcoin halving. We are right at a really primed bullish time, regardless of narratives, regardless of what's going on. But if right now this plays out, this is big. Today's FIT 21 vote is a huge political moment for crypto. And yes, the SEC is lobbying Congress to vote no. This was earlier today. Yes on FIT 21 means, this is according to Meta Lawman, regulatory clarity, consumer protection, pro-innovation, pro-US competitiveness, right side of history. And vote no, wrong side of history. And guess what? Here's the headline. FIT 21 passed the House. 279 to 136. House Democrats vote in favor of this bill. 71. This is from a political perspective where this is actually a big deal as well. It's a huge number of elected Democrats voting no confidence in the current SEC and sending a message to the Biden administration that anti-crypto is a losing platform this year. And why is that? Because crypto's here to stay. Because there are tens of millions of Americans that are in crypto and more are flocking in. Here's Jesse over here on X. FIT 21 passes 279, 136. The takeaway is simple. The global economy will be built on chain. Americans will be at the forefront of its creation. It will be accessible to everyone, everywhere. Onwards to the Senate to confirm this historic milestone for crypto, freedom, and the world. This is playing out right now, everybody. If you're in crypto, if you're a crypto holder, and what's so cool is like we're not in the middle of a bear market right now. The Bitcoin halving just happened. Bitcoin spot ETF just got approved. We're going to talk about in a minute the Ethereum ETF, what's going on like within the next 24 hours with that. We're in an incredibly exciting time right now, and it just is what it is. Now, in regards to this, I just want to go over a couple points in relation to the FIT 21, the fact that it did just pass in the House. There's a few points that I just found intriguing that I posted. Look at this. Just to give you an example, one example, a very surface level, how big it is. SEC oversight, no more. Exclusions of exchanges from SEC oversight. Imagine excluding crypto exchanges from SEC jurisdiction right now. Crypto regulation, more authority given to CFTC, which is far more crypto friendly. And I spelled crypto wrong. I can't even edit it. Darn it. Self-certification, the bill allows companies to self-certify that they're issuing digital commodities. Again, surface level, but those are the three big points I think that stand out to me in terms of this is an absolute game changer for crypto. Even right now, the fact it hasn't passed Senate right now in this moment, but do you see the momentum? Do you see the energy that is coming towards the crypto space, even compared to a year ago? It is insane, everybody. And that's a picture of that pendulum swinging back into our direction. And this is why I posted this in August 2023. Some reasons to be bullish on crypto. We're seeing it play out. All the while, we have other things going on. Here's Eric over here, Bloomberg analyst, ETF analyst. So, and he's just talking about or reposting this post from Adam over here saying, trying to plan my day tomorrow. Is there a certain time we expect to hear from the SEC? This is in relation to the Ethereum spot ETF. My best guess is we hear from SEC around 4 p.m. tomorrow for spot BTC. They dropped it at 3:45 p.m. Some others in past were slightly after 4 p.m. Anything possible though. So that's just a running parallel to what this video is about, Fit 21, passing House. This is just another thing. This is another narrative, right? And then you have what Trump did. You have that also parallel to all of this. We have an incredible amount of momentum in the crypto space right now, everybody. And again, I'll say this time and time again. I don't know. There's no guarantees of what's going to happen next. And I don't know what will happen next. But I'll tell you what, with all of these things going on and tracking these charts for over 6 years, almost daily on YouTube, I would say on the macro, things are looking pretty good for crypto, everybody. There's going to be a ton of volatility still. I'm sure there's going to be a ton of dips. There's always room for downside. And also unexpected downside when you least expect it, right? And that volatility, it's going to be there. But right now, everybody, when I zoom out on these charts and I look at these headlines and what's going on, it's incredible. And I wanted to do a video about it. And I really want to get your thoughts out there because I do see there's going to be people that are like, this isn't anything, right? But how can you sit there and say that when we see a tidal wave shift happening even in Congress? Which, and I'm going to say this again, at this part of the cycle is a bit surprising to me. And so we see people like Elizabeth Warren kind of losing her momentum. And I would say losing her grip on things because what she was proposing was absolute bonkers, destructive, and straight up wrong. And now we have people like John Deaton for Senate running against the anti-crypto army. And yeah, Trump on board with crypto, everybody. These things are bullish. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit the subscribe if you're not a subscriber for more crypto news, Bitcoin charts, altcoin charts, all that good stuff. I appreciate you for cruising by today. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.